Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as Online Courier Management System. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. Nowadays there are many e-commerce websites or shopping websites because people tend to buy more products in online. So the service provider will be looking for a courier services for transporting their products or any kinds of things to the customers. But the problem with these courier service people is like they are not fully automated or computerized. So they use manual processes, or even if it is computerized, it is a partial kinds of thing. So now we are going to propose a system which is completely online and manage the complete operations of the couriers and also with the good security. So now let us see about that. So in the abstract part you can see that the details of the online courier management system which is developed using Java and MySQL. So here the user-centric approach is made where user can easily book the courier service, simplifying the sending the parcels, and upon booking users also receive the digital receipts as a proof of transactions. And for the efficient workforce management, new staffs will be approved by the admin people so that the security will be made. And another important thing is like location based, the pickup and delivery system is being developed in it. I'll show you in executing the project. And these are the things that has been mentioned in the abstract part. And coming to the existing system, so as mentioned, the existing system uses a manual approach or it is a partial kind of computerized thing only. So those details have been mentioned in the existing system part, and here you can see the disadvantages of the existing system. So these are the disadvantages of the existing that is being listed out here. And coming to the proposed system, so as mentioned, so we are going to use various features like user courier booking, user receipt management, user courier tracking, new staff registration, new staff approved by admin cost management, admin courier tracking, staff pickup assignment based on location, staff delivery assignment based on an extensive data tracking for both admin and user. So all the details have been mentioned here. And coming to the advantages of proposed system, you can see the list of advantages of our proposed system has been listed out here. And coming to the system architecture, you can see the entities user, admin and staff, where user books the courier, tracks the courier, and admin approves the staff and update the cost and track the courier, and staff people will be viewing their pickup or delivery courier, and they'll be picking and making the deliver, and they can view their logs. So this has been depicted in the system architecture. And coming to the modules part, you can see the modules of the project, and these are the module descriptions of the project. And system requirements, hardware requirements and software requirements. So as mentioned, we are developed using Java, and the front end part is using JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and IDE we have used is Apache NetBeans IDE 16, and database we have used is MySQL database. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open Apache NetBeans IDE 16. So now let us import the project into the IDE. So just go to the file menu and click open project. Now you need to go to the source code location where you have pasted the code. So where you can find the source code folder, just go into the source code folder. You can find this online courier management system. So select this and then click open project. Now kindly wait. So here you can see the project is being loading into the NetBeans IDE. Meanwhile, let us attach the database. So just go to the MySQL administrator. So just open MySQL administrator and log in with the user credentials as root and root, both username and password as root and root, and click OK. And now you can see the MySQL administrator. So here in the left side panel, just select this restore option. So after selecting the restore option, in the right side panel, just select this open backup file. Now again go to the source code location where you can find the database folder. So just go to the database folder and select the database and then click start restore. So now you can see the restore operation was finished successfully. Now we can close this, and now we can close the MySQL administrator also, because we have successfully attached the database part. So now coming back to the NetBeans IDE, you can see the project is now completely loaded into the NetBeans IDE. So select it and right click it and then select the run. So now kindly wait till the project is being transferred to the browser part. So now it asks for the authentication for the Tomcat server. I have given admin and admin for the username and password, and click OK. Now you can see the project is being transferred to the browser part. So now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title Online Courier Management System. So now you can see the entities here: admin, staff and users. I'll show you one by one. So first let me go to the admin part. So here in the admin there is only one entity, so you need to log in with the default username and password as admin and admin. So A is capital letter for both, username and password is same, and then click submit. So now you can see the login is success and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the admin home. So this is the admin home page. So first thing is like you can see the courier cost. So the courier cost is now fixed as 40 rupees per kg. So if you wanted to change it, you can just change here. So I'll just show you a sample by changing to 50 rupees per kg and update cost. So now you can see the cost is updated immediately and click OK. So now you can see the courier cost is updated to 50 rupees. So now here in the admin we have various options. I'll show you one by one. So first thing is the staff approval. So whenever a new staff is registered, the admin should approve it. Only after approving, the staff can able to log in into the system. This is to avoid intruders into the system so that the courier will be in a safe. So coming to the staff details, you can see who are all the staffs available. So everything is empty because this is the first time we are running. So next thing is the user details, courier status, courier tracking. So everything is empty because we have not done anything. So now let me go to the first thing, like I'll go to the users part. So just click this users. So this is navigated to the user login page. As I don't have any username and password, I'll click the new user registration. So I'll just click new user. So now I'll create update my name as JP, email ID as jp@gmail.com, date of birth, phone number. I'll update my address as the details. And password as JP, and then click submit. So now you can see the registration is success and click OK. So now I have created a new user. So I'll just open a notepad for remembering the important points. So now I have created a user called JP. Second, I'll just log in into the user part. So just log in into the user with the username and password which you have used during the registration. Click submit. So now you can see the login is success and click OK. So now you can see the user home page. So this is the user home page where user has the options of update profile, send courier, courier status, tracking, etc. So now let me go to the update profile. So just go to the update profile. You can update the profile by, and you can, if you wanted to change something details here, you can change here. For example, if I wanted to add something here in the address and click update. So now you can see the profile is updated. You can see the profile updated information here. So if you wanted to send a courier, you can just click the send courier and you can send it. So before that, I'll just create a staff now. So now I'll go to the staff login. So just click the staff, it will be navigated to the staff login. So where you need to enter the staff username and password. As I don't have any staff, I'll create a new staff. So just click this new staff registration. So it will be navigated to the staff registration page. So let me name a staff name as Alice. I'll select a staff photo. So just I'll just select this photo, and father name as dad Alice, date of birth, email ID as alice@gmail.com, phone number. So it asks for the address. I'll give as Pondicherry, and here you can see important thing, working location. So why I'm telling us important thing is like, so based on the working location only the allotment of the pickup and delivery will be made. I'll show you that. So for example, I'm creating this user work location as, so here you can see the work location details. So all the maximum, all the cities details has been updated here. Let me select Pondicherry. So this is the work location I have selected for the Alice. So I'll just enter here staff Alice. I'll just place it as Pondicherry. So and password as Alice, and now I'll click submit. So now you can see the registration is success. So now the staff registration is success, but even if you are entering the correct username and password for the staff and clicking submit, you can see your account is not yet approved. Please try again later. So as I said earlier, this is to avoid unnecessary intruders into the system. So now you need to go to the admin. So just log in into the admin credentials. So after logged in, just select this staff approval. So earlier you would have seen that it was empty. Now you can see the details of the ID 1, first staff with Alice, father name, all the details. So now the admin will be viewing all the details. Only if it is correct your staff for this company, he will be approving. If it is rejected, that the staff cannot log in into the system. So now in this case I'll just approve this staff. So now it is approved. So once if it is approved, there is no any pending staff approval part, so it is, the table is empty. So coming to the staff details, you can see the staff details. Earlier it was empty, now you can see the staff details. So what all the details that is given by the staff Alice is being updated here. So coming to the user details, so you can see the user details was empty. Now you can see JP was the user that is being updated here with the exact details of their name, email ID, date of birth, address and everything. So if you go to courier status, there is no any courier. So till now anyone has not made the courier, so it is empty now. So now let me log out from this part. So now I'm going to create another staff. So I go to the new registration quickly. I'll just name it as Bob. I'll just select a photo for Bob, for the name as dad Bob, email ID as bob@gmail.com, and let me select the phone number, address as Chennai, and let me add here the working location. I'm going to add it as Chennai. So here you can see all the city details. So just you can see Chennai. I'll just select Chennai. So let me name it password as Bob and click submit. So now you can see the registration is success for the second staff also. So what I did is like I have created the staff Bob. So this is, I'm entering this in the notepad for your easy understanding. So now let me go to the admin because I need to approve the staff. So I'll just go to the admin quickly and go to the staff approval. You can see the Bob details here. Let me approve it. So now if you go to the staff details, so 2 staffs are here available for this company right now. Work location is Pondicherry and Chennai. So now let me log out. So now let me go to the staff part. So in the staff login, so first I will show you with the both the persons login. So first I will log in with Alice. So after logged in successfully, you can see the staff home page where you can see pickup delivery logs. So first we go to pickup, so it is empty. Delivery, it is also empty. Logs, it is also empty. So in this logs part, they can see what all the pickups and deliveries made by this particular staff. It will be so now it is empty for Alice because there is no any bookings done till now. So now let me log into the Bob part and show you. So you can see that it is pickup is empty, delivery is also empty. So now coming to the important part, booking so just go to the user part. I'll just log in with the user JP. Now I'll go to the send courier. So now in the send courier, it will be navigated to send courier page where you need to enter the pickup location. Now I will update the pickup address as JP Infotech Pondicherry. Let me select the pickup city. So you can see all the city names here in the drop down. You can select the city whichever you wanted. In my case, I'm going to show you with the Pondicherry. And to name is Chennai JP Infotech, and to mobile number, you need to enter the to mobile number to whom you are sending. I'll just enter a sample number. And destination address, let me address as of JP Infotech, First Avenue, Ashok Nagar, Chennai. And destination city, you need to select the city whichever city you wanted, and in my case I'm just selecting as cities as Chennai. And coming to the destination pin code, it asks for the pin code. I'll just update the pin code of the place. And here coming to the important part, that is the weight calculation. So here you can see the weight will be automatically calculated. So now it is 00. So now I am updating a weight. So the weight it should be in the grams. So first I will just show you a sample. So just I'm entering 250 grams. So till 250 grams there is no any additional charges, only the delivery charges will be 50 rupees. So it is showing 0 plus 50 rupees delivery charges. In case if I am increasing the grams to 251 grams, you can see the price is automatically calculated according to the price that I have given in the admin part. What I have given in the admin part, 1 kg is 50 rupees. So now if I give 500 grams, you can see the price is 25 rupees, that is off of the 1 kg. So now if I'm giving 1000 grams, which is equal to 1 kg, you can see 50 rupees is automatically calculated here, and the user does not need to make anything. So just you can view the price details here. So 50 rupees for 50 rupees for delivery charge. So here you can see all the details now we have given, and now the user is going to book it. So just click submit. So now you can see the courier is booked successfully, and click OK. So now immediately the user gets the courier receipt. So in case if you wanted to download this receipt, you can just click download receipt as image. So I'll just select, name it as receipt 1 in the desktop. So now it is downloaded. So the desktop, just open it. So now you can see the receipt, courier receipt with the tracking number, name to which it is sending, and what is this mobile number, what is the pickup address, what is the destination address, city, pin code, weight in grams, and what is the total price of it is being updated here. So now coming to the coming back to home, let me click back to home. So here the user has the option of seeing the status. So just click this courier status, you can see the courier status. So what is the ID, tracking number, to name, mobile number, pickup address, weight. So now you can see the status now it is only booked. So each and every status will be updated here, so based on the tracking number. So here user can see what all the details based on the courier status. Also if you wanted to see detailed thing also, you can tracking, just click this tracking menu. So now it asks for the tracking number, so just enter the tracking number and click track. So now you can see the courier tracking details of the ID, which the details of the ID, name, all the details is being shown here with booked date and time also. So now let me log out. Now coming to the staff part. So here in the staff part, as I said, it will be allocated based on the location. So now I will go to the first staff, Alice. So I log in with the first staff, Alice. So earlier we would have seen both the staff does not have any pickup and delivery, but here if you see in the pickup point, you can see the staff JP has got the pickup details of the tracking number, because as I said, this Alice, sorry, for example, this Alice is in Pondicherry location. So this staff Alice will got the details because JP has booked the parcel in the Pondicherry. So this staff will be getting the details. For example, I'll show you with the Bob login. just I'll go to the Bob. So here in the Bob you can see there is no any pickup schedules because Bob location is Chennai, so he does not get any pickup schedules because the pickup is available only in Pondicherry. So in the deliveries also it is empty right now for to the Bob. So now let me log out. Now if we'll go to the Alice staff, so now Alice staff going to pick up this. If he got the pickup schedule, so he's going to pick up this. Just click this pickup. So now you can see the pickup is finished. So now if you go to the logs part of this Alice, you can see he has made this pickup. Those details has been updated here. So now let me log out from this part. Now I'll go to the user part to show you the update. So in the user part, if you go to the courier status, you can see now the status is being changed from booked to the pickup done part. So in this way, each and every thing will be updated. So just the tracking thing, you can see the details, pickup is done. So now let me log out. If you go to the admin part, let me show you the tracking details from the admin side. So user part it is different and admin part tracking is different. So if you go to the courier status, you can see it is pickup done, but if you go to the courier tracking and give the number from the admin side, you can see the complete details, that is user ID, username, all the details, and also additionally you can see pickup person employee ID, and also you can see drop hand person is not allocated. So pickup person is allocated, so it is shown. Till now the delivery is not allocated, so it is not allocated. And you can see when it is created, track number, city, the pickup city and the destination city, pickup time wow made, delivery is not made, so it is null. So pickup made by the Alice and delivery is not made, so it is null. So everything has been updated clearly, each and every thing is being tracked here for the admin purpose. So now let me log out. So now I'll go to the staff login. So now I'll go to the second staff, that is Bob. So I just log in with the Bob. So now the pickup is made. So if you go to the pickups, it is empty. If you go to the deliveries, you can see the delivery schedule. Now earlier there was no delivery schedule because the pickup was not made. So now pickup is made. So in the Bob part, you can see the tracking details with the weights and all the details is being done. So the Bob is now going to deliver it. So just click this deliver courier. You can see the delivery is finished. So now if you go to the logs part, you can see Bob is made only the delivery. So only those details is being shown here. He has not done any pickup. So in the works log, all the things will be completely updated. So coming to the user part, I'll just log in with the JP user. So now coming to the courier status, you can see the delivered message to the user part and the tracking part. Let me show you about the tracking part. So if you give the tracking also, you can see the complete details and you can see the delivery is made perfectly, the status. And in the admin part, I'll show you what happens in it. So just log in with the admin credentials. And if you go to the courier status, it is updated as courier delivered. And if you go to the tracking part, you can see now earlier the pickup person employee ID was assigned, the delivery person was not assigned. Now it is also assigned and the number is updated here immediately. And you can see the delivery date and time. You can see today's date is 28/9. So everything has been perfectly done, and you can see who has picked up date and who has dropped it. Complete tracking is given to the admin part. So now another important thing, I'll just go to the user. I'll create a new user quickly. So just name it as XX. So now I have created a new user XX. I'll just log in into the user with the created username and password. So why I'm going to show this is like, So this user has not sent any courier, so it is empty. If you go to the tracking, so if the user is going to give the tracking number of JP, so this user is different. This is a new user XX. So now he is giving the tracking number of JP's courier and click track. So now you can see courier is not found. So only the exact user having the tracking number will be showing. So this is to secure the tracking, knowing the privacy. So preserving the privacy of the tracking is being made in it. So those details have been updated here in it successfully. And now let me log out. And if I am creating a staff, for example, if I am creating a staff, I'll name it as ZZ. Just name me with the staff name as ZZ. This is to sample only to show you a feature. I'll just enter the details of this as ZZ and click submit. So now the staff has been registered. If you go to the admin part now, you can go to staff approval. So now you can see the details made by the staff ZZ. So now if I am rejecting it, so if the staff is being rejected, so only the approved staff details is being shown here, the rejected staff will not shown, and also the staff cannot able to log in. So I'll giving the username and password of the ZZ correctly and click submit. You can see your account is not approved, please try again later. So only this exact person can able to log in into the system, but also the exact user can able to track the system. Admin can see all the tracking details, but the users, only the concerned users can able to see their tracking details only. So in this way the courier management tracking is made in that. And this is all about the project online courier management system using Java. And thank you for watching.